Hey, thanks for tuning in to the Maryland Secret and University of Maryland Extension's Aquaculture Video Education Series. My name's Shannon Hood. I'm with the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. In this video, we'll talk about how to control biofouling on your oysters and cages using a brine solution or a saturated salt solution. Now, before you get started, it's important to try out this technique or any new husbandry method on your farm on a small subset of your oysters first. We've tested these methods and have not seen any subsequent mortality of the oysters. However, your oysters may be in a different condition or a different state. And so it's always important with this or any other new husbandry technique to try it out on a small subsample of oysters first before you apply it to the entire farm. Now, let's start by gathering materials. You'll need a bucket to measure the volume of solutions and a vessel that can hold your culture gear. Submerge a piece of gear in the vessel and determine how much water you need to just cover the gear. Add enough water to just cover your gear and then add salt and mix thoroughly. Continue adding salt until salt stops dissolving. The amount of salt needed will vary based on the starting salinity and other factors, but you're targeting a saturated solution that will be opaque white in color. Brine solutions can generate quite a bit of heat, so allow the solution to cool prior to submerging your oysters and gear. Shake your gear to make sure oysters are fully closed. Then submerge the cage in solution for 1 to 5 minutes. Remove the cage from the solution and allow to dry in air for an hour. Move on and repeat with additional cages and then redeploy all of your oysters to the farm. Thanks for tuning in to this aquaculture education video. If you have questions, please contact us and please check out the other instructional videos on our YouTube channel.